Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Gani here on this Tongue Fix channel. Don't forget to subscribe, put the like on with your thumb on this video so we can grow together on this YouTube journey in this hustle on YouTube. So perhaps you came here because you were wondering, does it possible doing POD? What is POD? POD is print on demand business right now. I've searched my I've researched my own, and then here on this video I'm just want to share with you my standpoint, my viewpoint, my perspective about this POD or print on demand business. Okay, so let's get it on. The first one, is that real? Is that real? People buying print on demand products on Etsy, on Wix, BigCommerce, and so on. Yes, it is real. So let me show you something. This is from Etsy. This is I just watched a YouTube video that talk about they got $7 per minute. It is nonsense. It was nonsense, I thinking. So I thought that was nonsense, and then I go search on Etsy. As you can see, there are bunch of print on demand products. For instance, this one, a inspirational poster. So if you buy it, you can put it on your room, on your office. They put it on $3, and then this one $6, and this one $3, and this one $9, and then we can see another one. See, leadership, blah blah blah. This is quotes about leadership. So I believe they never stock or they never purchase it at the first. They just make it or print it when the order come to them. So that's why the business name, the niche of business name is print on demand. So this is real. As you can see, this is 3.6k ratings from people. I believe people who purchases more than 3.6k, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 people buy this kind of product. At the first I amazed. At the first I don't believe what I thought, and then why don't they? So why don't they design by themselves and then print it by themselves, rather than buy on Etsy or another platform? Why don't they buy on print on demand? After I research by myself, I believe they have money but no time. As simple as that. This kind of people is very sweet spot on the business. They have money but don't have time, and then we can offer them products that suitable for them, such as like that print on demand, shirt on demand, like t-shirts, like posters, like a coloring book. It happens all the time. It happens all the time that people buying it because as simple as they have money but no time. For instance, if you are creating this one, you have if you're not trying to sell it on Etsy, if you are a people who have money but no time, and then they thinking of if you thinking that finding right quotes for me, maybe research for on ChatGPT or googling it, maybe took it for 1 hour 2 hours. After that, finding the supplier to print it, and then go to the print shop, and then go to print it. It takes 2 hours, 5 or maybe 3 hours. Not to mention the gas they the gas you spend when you try to make it happen. It costs maybe 6 to 7 hours. So if you compare for $4, it's nothing. It's really nothing. 7 hours of working compared to $4 in purchasing it on Etsy. It's nothing. Really, it's nothing for them. Okay, so why don't they put it create it by themselves? As simple as they have money but no time. Simple. So this is real. The business of print on demand is real. As you can see, this is what kind of evidence you want to ask me. This is the very very real thing. As you can see, people buying it, 3.6 ratings, 1.3k ratings, and so on and so on. This is fucking real. Okay, but again, this is really possible. So possible and not easy. Simple, not easy. All the business is not easy. If you want to pursue money, I believe in the word. If you got offered from people who said that getting money is easy, that is scam. Okay, getting money, much money in fast, it is possible, but not easy. Nobody say it was easy except the scammer. Okay, that's what I thought. You can disagree. You totally totally disagree. It's fine. You can put on the comment below why you disagree with me. But the thing is, once again, print on demand business is real. If you want to start like me, start it right now and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.